Make sure the gear lever is set to park. The vehicle is off. Open the bonnet. Just past the center by the badge, insert your fingers, and there's a metal lever which I slide in this direction. On the underside of the bonnet, there is the arm. I just pull that where the opening is and seat this arm in the hole over here. Right, this is what the 1.8 litre hybrid version looks like, and the battery is here on the passenger side. This is the 12-volt battery. This is the negative and this is the positive. I first remove the negative. I take a size 10 ratchet and I put it over this nut over here and I loosen it. I don't have to remove the nut completely, I just need to loosen it. Once it's loosened, I can just pull this off and pull it to the side. Now what I do is I just wrap the negative terminal in a cloth so it doesn't touch on the terminal here while I'm working on the vehicle. And I need to loosen the positive, and I just open this little cover over there. Now for the positive terminal, the nut is on the side. I take a size 10 and I just loosen this. I don't have to remove the nut completely, I just need to loosen it. Now with the nut loose, all I need to do is lift this vertically upwards and then I can pull it to the side. Right, this is not a mandatory step, but I just wrap the positive terminal in a rag just to keep it away so that nothing can touch. Now on the side of the battery, there's a bracket over here and there is a nut here that needs to be released in order to release this battery. This is the hold down plate. It's a size 12 socket. Now I need to remove this screw completely and then I can pull this bracket out. Now this particular battery's got a little handle so I can lift it up and take it out. If yours doesn't, you'll just have to grab on the sides and then pull the battery vertically upwards. Right, before putting in the replacement battery, there's a lot of dirt here. So if you've got a blower, you could just blow out this cavity here. Right, the brand new battery is going to sit underneath here. So it's going to wedge under this lip that's on the one side of this cavity. So having a look at the battery, so there at the bottom is a flange that goes underneath that lip in the cavity. So I bring the brand new battery and notice that I'm going to seat it and wedge it underneath that lip. Now what I need to do is slide it in. So the battery was there and all I did is pushed it in. Right, on the other side of the battery, and I take this bracket, notice that I drop it in with a flat side against the battery. So it slides against the battery. So notice how it slides in there. And I line up the holes and now I can thread that screw. Right, you can use a torque wrench or you can do it by hand. It needs to be about 10 Newton meters. Right, I first reconnect the positive terminal. Now note that this must be pushed all the way down. Now tighten this to 5 to 6 Newton meters. You can use a torque wrench, close the lid. And now you can reattach the negative terminal, just keeping in mind that when I touch this onto that terminal, it might spark. So I just do it quite quickly and then I seat it all the way in. If yours isn't going all the way in, just wiggle it a bit. Right, lift the bonnet up, unhook this arm, put this back through the opening and reseat it into its slot. Battery replacement is now complete.